No way! We're bringing out the fire guy, Ifrit? Today, we're checking out episodes 13 and 14 of the new season of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. If you enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and you'll find even more over on Patreon. A mansion. Damn, this is the this is his spot now? They added on this whole like front spot and the side wings. The wings, it used to just be like one fucking boop. Damn. Expansion. The White House, bro, this is beyond White House. White House ain't shit compared to this. Oh God, who is it? Of course. Milam. Predators, hey yo. Okay. That little ass dragon? This is the difference between a dragon and a what the f. Well, damn. Are the progenitors of all dragons. Oh my God. Only 4 true dragons in existence, including Veldora. Whoa. Mmm, beef. Yummy. Damn, brother. Mmm, yummy. Who that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, Milam's cooked. Yeah, she just realized. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yo, even Veldora's like, I'm gonna run away from this shit. I don't want to be part of it. Where'd you get the little napkin from? Awesome. There's a lot, yeah. What the hell? I've forgotten to tell you how many subordinates I'll be bringing. Oh, yeah. A few hundred? Bro's got a little fucking force. He's got a little military. Hundreds is crazy. I will say they're all like golem shells, right? Like Beretta. Is he gonna like make a unique like finish to them? Or are they all gonna look kind of similar? Damn, what is all this? Damn. Yo, you're gonna have to put his fucking soul into one of these bodies now. Aw, we need more peoples. An elemental core. Oh, these bitches are gonna be strong. And they're all under Diablo 2? That's crazy. And putting pseudo souls in them. Yeah. Fuck. Dude, this technology was made. It's initially used so that way we can have like fucking avatars that we play around in the dungeon with. And then it turns into like super OP army. What the fuck? I don't blame you. Oh. Oh, wait. Damn, get wrecked. Damn, get wrecked. Veldora got wrecked. Oh, no, Veldora. No. Dino? No way. That's crazy. It's Dino, guys. You guys remember Dino? That's crazy. Yeah, exactly. From Octagram. That's crazy. Go sleep through this conversation. I don't believe him, though. Yeah, I don't believe him, though. It's cute, but... How are you a demon lord, but flat broke? Well, the laziness, I guess. He's like he doesn't do anything to not be broke. Fair. If y'all are broke, do something to not be broke. All right? Make some money and then subscribe to my channel. No, I'm just kidding. Damn. Rejected. He just thought it would instantly go through. He'd say, I want to stay here. And he'd just get it approved. Okay. I'm sure that there's something he can do to make him money. And shit, maybe even while he sleeps, you just fucking use his energy to power something. Damn. Damn, he's got to hit the sama on him. I wish for you to work. Oh. It's that guy, Red, the Red Primordial. Please look after Dino. Okay, dude. It's highly possible that Guy Crimson dumped Dino on you. Fuck. Fair enough. I wonder what the actual power hierarchy is. I think we'll see like how strong some of these people are with time though. Oh! You put Veldora's magicals directly. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Too much, right? So the magicule density inside the capsule rose to abnormal. Okay, so his shit's too dense. His Veldora's shit's too nice, bro. He got that good. The Veldora's waves made the Magisteel Bone Golem transform? Henshin! It is a form of adamantite now. Yo, you put dragon magicules in there and it turns into a dragon adamantite? Trying not to make a joke out of dragatite. Dragatite bussy across your lips or something like that. You know what I mean? It's literally Tourette's. I had to get it out. I had to like get it out of my brain so now I can move on. Aww. Yay! Dry your bodies first. If you want to eat and sleep, you gotta work for it. That's the laws. Time to learn, motherfucker. Uh-oh. Veldora has some requests as well. More manga. Oh, he also wants an assistant. Oh, okay. Sounds like you got somebody in mind. No way! We're bringing out the fucking fire guy, Ifrit? That's dude, how sick is that, dude? And he became friends with him. Aw, this is so cute. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's so dope. Damn, you remembered? Of course. Of course. Chat, I'm not some LARPer, all right? Aww. How do you know? I don't, yeah, what the fuck? Yo, how you going behind my back into my stomach to talk to the fucking fire demon that's trapped within me? Oh, that's where the salamanders come. Oh, yay. Dude, it's crazy. Your pet wants a pet, basically. Oh, now he wears their lab coat too. Let's go. Dude, the Dragatite? That's gonna be the one? This shit's wild. No way. No fucking way, dude. Oh, they made Ifrit a girl, dude. They made Ifrit a girl. She got them things on her, don't she? I knew she had them things on her, bro. I fucking knew it, dude. I knew it. You have tits. Oh, Veldora, you horny bitch. That's crazy. Veldora. Whoa, dude. Come on, bro. Not at all. I like these. These are great. Ooh, appearances aside, this form is far more powerful than my previous form. Oh, shit. Cool. I like that. That tail thing looks a little weird. Also, the fact that she always walks around on her tippy toes is kind of fucking insane. It's a beautiful little moment. And now Ifrit's here? That's kind of crazy. I didn't expect this. Your name is Karis. Oh, shit. Yeah, you strong as fuck now. Did she get enhanced even further? Has evolved into a Flame Lord. Oh, fuck. Ah, damn, dude. What is a Flame Lord? Is she gonna look different now? Now Ifrit's a guy? Ah, get fucked. She could literally just swap genders whenever she wants? So one is a better wind and one is a better fire. That's interesting. Yeah, this shit is just standard. If you don't know, this is some standard Tempest shit. This shit happens all the time. That's cool, dude. This is cool. I like this. This is awesome. This is a good episode. So now she has assistants. Awesome. Dude, bring me to Diablo shit, bro. I'm trying to Diablo. Good fucking episode, dude. Ifrit makes a return. That's crazy. Oh. Oh, this is a Diablo shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're dead. You dumb bitch. Oh. Is original mean primordial? Primordial yellow. Dope. Her name, John. Her name, John? John. All right, John. Okay, John. Oh, wait, what name is she called? Oh, yeah. We knew about Noir. Yeah. We knew about that. Bro got named. Yeah. Bro got named. Bro is a primordial demon that got named. To have the ability to name a primordial demon is kind of crazy. John is French. John Mbappe. John. Oh, girl, you making a mistake. You think you gonna be able to hurt? Come on, bro. My dog's been reincarnated. Okay, come on. All right, dude. You're about to get clapped up, dude. Clap her cheeks right now. Like this is an H anime. Ain't shit. Weak as hell. Dude, his simping for Rimuru is kind of crazy. Girl, you already tried this. What you gonna do now? Nope. Damn. How? Yo, he's like, I can't believe you would not throw a Sama on his fuck. How dare you not put a Sama on him? Referring to him as Jiggly is so funny. He's a slime. Yeah, literally. Bro literally said you cannot beat him in his form. This yellow bitch really thinks she... Yo! Bro! Holy shit! Oh shit! The three of you have been blocking each other's incarnation for tens of thousands of years. Damn, how petty are these bitches? I'm not gonna let you reincarnate. I'm not gonna let you. If you won't let me reincarnate, I won't let you. And they just been holding each other back from it. I agree. Very senseless. You want some excitement? Hey, yo, chill out, Diablo. Damn. Diablo, chill. Chill, Diablo, chill. Chill. This motherfucker's got no chill. Correct that insolent attitude is crazy. A slime demon lord. She's like, you know what? Maybe I'm kind of sold on this. Maybe I'm kind of, I want to just give it a little. I want to watch it jiggle. Might be more fun than playing with Leon. Oh. And she has her own subordinates. She has a fucking samurai subordinate. Diablo was aura farming this whole episode. So far, very much so. He is literally, he didn't even break a sweat, and all he did was beat your ass and toss you around, okay? I think that means you lost. The boring times are just about over. Yo, we are getting such a nice squad together. We are getting a nice fucking squad, bro. Our squad is nasty. Ugh. Please tell me this guy's not about to get blasted in the ass. Oh. Oh, no. This dude's gonna fucking fly in the way like a dumbass. That's savage. That is so savage. Diablo. Damn. I hope that guy gets reincarnated, bro. We need him here. He's suffering way too much, man. And this is Violet. I know this voice actress. What the fuck does that thing do? What the fuck? Ooh. You're gonna get a body that looks exactly like that body. And then we body everybody. Blanc might not go so smoothly. Oh, shit. Wait, are we saying that yellow went smoothly? John went smoothly? That's crazy. Dude's about to get bodied again. Damn. Onward to the Blanc. Oh. Our mistress is cool. That's a cool way to put it. Hiding, playing a big-ass fucking piano and shit. Oh, she got that Ada voice for sure. Oh, she already knows. She been keeping tabs. Oh, shit. Yeah, she about to get pissed off for sure. Ain't no way she don't. Did they deserve that? Damn. Yo, how the fuck is she constantly at odds with the other two if she's more powerful than them? Wagana wa Megumin. He's like, you know what? You put the Sama on him, I'll take you with me. See, she don't have the Sama. Nobody else put the Sama on my boy. You're glad I'm okay? he's so funny. Big simpin'. Damn. These three are among the highest ranked demons, the archdemons. Archdemons. Arch. I like saying arch. Oh, they're keeping their shit low key. I'm yellow. What? Yeah, yeah. Why would you do it back? You're gonna crack all the glass. You're gonna fucking destroy the town or something. Rainbow aura, bitch! He got that RGB. 600 demons and 3 new primordial fucking demons. Crazy. Oh wait, Homeboy had 100 himself? Huh. Interesting. He's kind of like the Gulpta a little bit, right? Crazy. 700 new demons. Yes. Damn, we got motherfucking demons in the bitch. Oh, so he's a greater demon. Okay, okay, okay. Let's get y'all some bodies. Yes, sir. Yo, wait. If he gotta name them, it's gonna take him a little second, right? He gotta name one, wait a little bit, name another, wait a little bit, name another. Because I don't think he's naming all 3 of these off rip. That's a lot to name. Damn. Damn. Orichalcum. That's crazy. Would you like to make any changes to your body? Yes, I would like double the cheeks. Rank themselves based on how long they've existed. Damn. Demons rank themselves based on how long they've existed. Primordials, the kings, since the dawn of time. These 3 have existed since the dawn of time. The dominant class, damn. But how you've lived, interesting. Brother, do you remember how fucking tough it was after you named? Don't jump into it. You know, give it a little time. I'll go with supercar names like I did with Diablo. Oh my God. Is that what Diablo's name is? Let's try and guess the names before they come up. Here we go. The Lambo, maybe. You gotta have a McLaren for sure. I'm thinking Ferrari, McLaren, Porsche. Or Lambo. You gotta, there's always a chance of a Lambo. Fuck. I fucking knew Testarossa was gonna be one, dude. I was literally looking at Testarossa. I fucking had a feeling, dude. Okay, so we got our Ferrari. What's next? That's our, is that a Porsche? Yeah, okay. Ultima. Oh, Ultima is a, what's an Ultima? That's also a Porsche. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. And they're all naked? Oh, they're not. I'm just kidding. I don't really care. Oh, fire. I like the fit. That's fire. I like it. Oh, what a chill. Yo, what a chill ass outfit. Declare my loyalty to you henceforth. Fire. Hold on now. You don't have some competition here. In one go, bro named 3 primordials and all of these other arch or greater demons? Holy shit. How did he come up with names? He's just like, Zonda, Cien, Agera, Moss, Veyron. Oh, wait, are they, wait, what the fuck? Veyron. Wait, are there still cars? Venom. Oh, what the hell? Mustang. Oh, it took days. The black numbers. Oh, shit. Blackpink. That's crazy, bro. Hey, we fucking... we strong as shit, bro. Hey, somebody fuck with us, please. I dare you. Incarnation's the fondest wish. Oh, really? Damn. Incarnation's the one thing that they want as demons. Gave me a body I consider worthy of me. More like fucking dressed, Rosa. Yeah, dude. True. They had better not cause no problems, Diablo. If they fuck up, no. Aww. I really enjoyed this. So first we get the Ifrit reincarnation, then we get a big ass fucking demon episode, dude. Primordials, new primordials. We got yellow, we got violet, we got white, we got black. All 4 of them now. 4 fucking primordials. That's crazy. Dude, yo, this army's strong. The black numbers. I'm so excited to see them in action one day. I don't know when we'll get that, but yeah. This is awesome. Absolutely loved it. What did you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Though, don't just leave a comment. Also, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, make sure you all keep it fresh. Peace.